Hi everyone, and welcome again to this short video series. In today's video, I'll be talking about question number 25 from 2019 Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of probability. So going on to our study matrix, this one is from the topic of trees within probability, 3.3.1 section. So let's go to this section. So 2019 question number 25. The question is telling you there is a bowl of fruits that contains 17 apples, of which 9 are red and 8 are green. And Denise eats one, and Margaret eats one as well. And then by drawing a probability tree or otherwise, you need to find the probability that they both ate the same color apple. So let's take out the question. So we'll draw a probability tree. Now, the way we'll draw it is in a tree, you have different outcomes. So let's call this is the first draw, right? It doesn't matter whoever ate first, so it can be Denise or Margaret. Whoever ate first, they have what are the chances that it's a red apple, and what are the chances it's a green apple? In total, there are 17 apples, and out of which 9 are red. So the chance that it's a red apple is 9 out of 17, right? And chance that it's a green apple is 8 out of 17. Then once this has happened, then the second draw happens. Again, there is 2 chances for each of these paths that either it can be a red apple or green apple. Red apple or green apple. The only thing is that because one apple is already eaten, so that is going to be removed. In this case, red is already eaten. So there are not 9 apples anymore. There are only 8 apples left. And in total, there are not 17 apples. There are 16 apples left. So 8 out of 16 is the probability of red apple. There is no green apple eaten. So there are still 8 green apples and total is 16. So that's the probability. In this case, no red apple are eaten because the first one was green that was eaten. So it's still 9 apples out of 16 because one is already eaten. And in this case, one green is been eaten, so 7 out of 16 for this one to happen. Now the question is asking you, we need to find the probability that they both eat apples of the same color. So that is happening on this path, red, red, and in this path, green and green. So to calculate the probability, you multiply these two, and add both of them up. So in this case, it's 9 by 17 times 8 by 16 plus this one, 8 by 17 plus 7 by 16. And when you do that, you will get your answer, which is 8 over 17. And that's the answer.